Jeffo Matrix technology. The benefits in the factory. Some nutritional ingredients, although very effective on animals, are difficult to implement because of their low flowability, the odor or dust they generate, their corrosiveness towards the equipment. The Jeffo Matrix microencapsulation technology makes life easier in the plant by improving the production process, providing safer working conditions for the workers, limiting damage to equipment, and thus reassuring managers. Let's review the benefits of this technology, which is proven by facts. A product microencapsulated with Jeffo Matrix technology has an improved flowability and is better suited to the feed mill's usage. This formulation protects the ingredients and removes dust from the products, limiting the risks of carryover and inhalation by the workers. This technology isolates the ingredients and acts as a barrier to their odor. Due to the encapsulation of ingredients, the chemical reactions between the ingredients and their environment are blocked. Jeffo Matrix limits the deterioration of plant equipment by protecting it from the most aggressive ingredients and acts as a barrier. This means that a Jeffo Matrix product flows easily into the hopper without blockage, bridging, dust, odor, or equipment damage.